The Karen Reed case involves the death of Boston police officer John O'Keefe in Canton, Massachusetts, on January 29, 2022. Karen Reed, his girlfriend, is accused of hitting him with her SUV and leaving him to die in the snow. The prosecution's allegations. Prosecutors allege that Karen Reed struck John O'Keefe with her SUV after a night of drinking and left him to die in the snow. They claim the couple had a rocky relationship that turned fatal. The defense's claims. Reed's defense team argues that someone else killed O'Keefe, potentially another law enforcement officer who was at the party, and that she was framed. They allege a police cover-up involving members of several law enforcement agencies. They claim O'Keefe was beaten inside the house, bitten by a dog, and then left outside. The defense has presented evidence suggesting O'Keefe's injuries were not consistent with being struck by a vehicle. They also claim that evidence, such as the broken taillight, was planted to frame Reed. Legal proceedings. Karen Reed has pleaded not guilty to second-degree murder, manslaughter while operating under the influence of alcohol, and leaving the scene of personal injury and death. The first trial in 2024 ended in a mistrial due to a hung jury. A retrial is currently underway. A federal investigation into the case concluded without any charges being filed against police. Key points of contention. Karen Reed's statements. A paramedic testified that Reed said, "I hit him, I hit him, I hit him," at the scene. The defense denies this statement is incriminating. Damaged taillight. The prosecution claims that Reed's SUV taillight was damaged from hitting O'Keefe, while the defense claims it was damaged when she clipped another vehicle earlier that night. Allegations of a cover-up. The defense points to issues like the lead investigator, Trooper Michael Proctor, sending disparaging texts about Reed and alleged failures in the investigation as evidence of a cover-up. The timeline of events. There are conflicting accounts of when. Medical evidence. Disagreements exist about whether O'Keefe's injuries are consistent with being struck by a car. Current status. Closing arguments are set for today in the retrial. A jury of 7 men and 5 women are deliberating Karen Reed's fate. This is all I know so far.